Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to have fun with a Capri legging that I found at Walmart. Easy, fun, and we'll show you the importance of doing very even fan folds in your V patterns. Come on in, check it out. So today we're going to take a legging Capri that I found at Walmart. That's the back of the legging, and that would be like the crease in the front, and we're going to do our natural V pattern. We're going to go about 2 inches apart, just using my protractor to get my roughly 60 to 65 degree angle. I'm doing closer to 60 on this. Draw my lines. Now I'm improvising here to make up for the way the material widens at the top. You'll notice that the fan folds toward the bottom are a little bit wider than at the other end. Then I adjust. Now because this is damp, I have to use a different way to get my pleats, my folds. But I'm doing it all the way across. And it's very important to get all the fabric exactly the same way on that. You can't have it wrinkled underneath. Once I get my first one pretty well set, I'm going to take my fingers and start working from the bottom, pulling up, and then from the top, pulling down. Use some small rubber bands to do the ends. Now here's where I'm really trying to get these as even as possible. And I'm going to just walk through real quick my technique for these. I loop the extra piece, use my thumb to hold it. When I roll the twine over top, I use my index finger to hold that. Now I can take the string flat against the table, loop it underneath, and then I pull. Now, I'm going to use my index finger to hold where my thumb was, and then use my thumb to pull that back over and hold it down again. Once I get the second loop, I can let go and just start my pull again and rewrap and re-pull. And then I'm going to repeat that process all the way down. Being very, very careful to make every fold identical and very, very thorough all the way through the length of the shirt. I'm going to run out of battery very shortly, so I'll see you on the dye part. So here's our top. I'm going to start up there with some new emerald green, beautiful deep green. Then I came in with chocolate brown, or golden brown, palomino gold, and chartreuse. Then some, I know it's hard to keep up, some peacock teal, back to the chartreuse, palomino gold, golden brown combination, kingfisher blue, chartreuse, or I'm not chartreuse, lime pop and new emerald green, back to the combo, back to kingfisher blue, back to the yellow toward the top right is lime pop and new emerald green, back to another golden brown, palomino gold, and chartreuse, and then peacock teal at the end just to round that out. So we have some ice on it. We're going to give it a couple hours. I'll flip it over, take a look, see if the other side needs to be done. and I'll give it a rinse, a wash, and an iron, and we'll see you on the flip side for the reveal. So here we have it. As you can see where the pleats would be on the front, that's where all the V's run up. I wanted them nice and tight, and they did indeed, so that went really well. Really happy with the kind of design that came out. When you make your fan folds really even and thorough, that's when you get the consistent results all the way through the length of each fan fold. And that's also what gives you these, I call them little cylinders. As you look, especially in some of the blue ones, you're going to notice how it almost looks like little loops, almost three-dimensional. It gives it some. So I hope you enjoyed. Give them a try. Like I said, they were at Walmart for only $2. I only found a couple, but if you find them, you'll have some fun. So be sure to subscribe and like. Need to get some subscribers, folks, and tell me what you want to see, because I'm going to have this channel up here for you. You want to see a certain technique, you want to learn more about something, let me know. Dyeverse Designs, aka living for the better good of all. Hoping you are too.